In April 1945, a train stopped at a small station in Czechoslovakia, but no one came to unload it, because inside there were no goods, only human beings. Over 100 Jewish prisoners locked inside with no food, no water. The war was ending, but for them, it was too late. The engine was gone, the guards fled, and the train was forgotten. For 5 days, they waited. Some screamed, some prayed, most simply went silent. A 17-year-old boy saw the train. He ran for help. 2 days later, rescuers opened the doors. Only 31 people had survived. No one remembers the boy's name. But history never forgot the train.